Good morning. Welcome to Hindi is Easy. Today we are going to see the line by line explanation for the lesson Mithai Wala, lesson number 3, class 7 from the book Gunjan. If you still not subscribed my channel, please subscribe my channel and recommend among your friends circle. If you have any clarification or feedback, please do put in the comment section. I'll surely reply back. If you like the video or the video is useful for your learning, please do click the like button. Your subscription and like will motivate me to add more videos. Mithai Wala, the person who sells sweets. Sweet seller. Let's have a quick introduction given in the book. बातों बातों में आपकी गली मोहल्ले में कौन कौन से फेरी वाले आते हैं. So in a streets or in a neighborhood, which hawkers come? गली ना street, मोहल्ले ना the neighborhood. So உங்க வீட்டுக்கிட்ட பக்கத்துல ஸ்ட்ரீட்ல என்ன மாதிரி விற்கிறவங்க வருவாங்க, ஹாக்கர்ஸ் வருவாங்க. वे क्या क्या आवाजें लगाते हैं? So என்ன மாதிரி சவுண்ட்ஸ் எல்லாம் அவங்க கொடுப்பாங்க? லைக் ஓல்டு க்ளோத்ஸ்க்கு பதிலாக உங்களுக்கு நாங்கள் வந்து நியூ வெசல்ஸ் தரோம், கூல் ஐஸ்கிரீம் சாப்பிடுங்க, 5 kgs ஆனியன் பொட்டேட்டோஸ் வாங்கிக்கோங்க, ஃப்ளவர்ஸ் வாங்கிக்கோங்க, பேஸ் பேப்பர் போட்டுருங்க, உங்கள் வீடை க்ளீனாக வச்சுக்கோங்க, வளையல் வாங்கிக்கோங்க. லைக் தட் many hawkers will be there who will be selling the vegetables, fruits, toys, flowers, bangles and to take the waste papers, and they'll be selling the ice creams and kulfis. So there are different kinds of hawkers, right? So unga street la vara hawkers yaarundradha comment section la podunga. क्या किसी फेरी वाले की आवाज या व्यवहार ने आपको अपनी ओर आकर्षित किया है? कैसे? Does any of the voice of the hawkers or the behavior of any hawkers has taken your attention, has attracted you? If so, please put in the comment section why. And the voice nalla irukka, the way the rhyming things they talk adu pudichirka, the kind words la avanga sell pandrathu pudichirka, what attracted you? Just put in the comment section. What kind of sounds that hear? Like purana saman de do, kapda do, bartan lo, thandi thandi gulfi, aloo pyaz le lo, chudiyan le lo. Like that they'll be giving the voices, right? So the voice will be like very melodiya இருக்கும் சில டைமில், that will attract us, and sometimes the way they sell and buy also attracts one. मानवीय रिश्तों पर आधारित ये अत्यंत मार्मिक कथा है. So based upon the human relationship, this story is very touching. मार्मिक ना very touching, मानवीय रिश्तों ना human relationship ला. अपनी संतान खोने पर मिठाई वाला सब बच्चों में अपनी बच्चे देखते हैं. After losing his child, the sweet seller sees his own children in all other children. बच्चे भी उसके पास दौड़े आते हैं. The kids also come rushingly running to them. धनी होने पर भी वह मन के सुख, चैन और बच्चों से मिलने वाले प्यार के लिए गलियों में मीठी गोलियां, बांसुरी और खिलौने बेचकर उनकी तोतली बोली का आनंद लेता है. Being a rich man, but for peace of mind, for the love he gets from the children and to enjoy the childish speech. தோத்லி போலினா அந்த இன்னசென்ட்டாக பேசுவாங்களே அந்த சில்ட்ரன், அந்த ஸ்பீச் கேட்கறதுக்காக he roams around the streets selling the sweets, selling the flute and selling the toys, because he believes on rebirth and he thinks that his child would have born somewhere else here and there, and he can see the glimpse of his child in these children. So this is very heart-touching story. The objective of this lesson is to make us to understand the human relationship and their emotions. What we have to learn from this lesson is you should be able to adapt the life values which you have learned from this lesson in your life, and should be able to give the importance and understand the human relationship. That should be the learning outcome. And what is the life value which you have to learn? You should understand the motherly love, show the affection, you should be very honest, you should be aware of the inequalities that exist in our society, and you should not have any prejudice in your mind, and you should be able to respect everyone. So this should be the life value which you have to adapt in your life and have a very good lifestyle, giving importance to human relationship. Before getting into the line by line explanation, let me give a brief of this lesson. This is a very touching story based upon the human relationship. So in this story, the writer Shri Bhagwati Prasad Vajpayee has thrown light on the state of mind of a person who has lost his children and wife prematurely, because suddenly he would have lost his wife and children. How the state of mind of such person would be? He believes on the rebirth. As a father, he thinks that his kid would have born somewhere again in this world, and he becomes like a hawker to sell the toys, to sell the flutes, to sell the sweets in the streets, and roaming here and there to sell the things that has been liked by the kids. And he gives flutes of different colors, he gives the toys that the kids like, he sells sweets for lesser price with the children like, in the thought that he will be seeing his kids in those kids. The author here says that the hawker doesn't adopt this as his business. He only does whenever he misses his kids. Okay, he talks to the children lovingly and he gives at low price, and even if someone doesn't have money also he gives them to make the kids feel happy, and seeing their happiness, seeing the childish talk, he also gets peace of mind. When he was selling in all those things, the mother has observed. Her name is Rohini. Once in a winter season, when the hawker comes to sell sweets, Rohini asks to get the sweets for her children through grandmother. And the seller is coming and selling the sweets. The conversation happens, and the Rohini, who has observed the way he behaves with the kids, the kind words, how he sells for the lesser price, he gets a doubt, and so he asks him what is the reason why he is coming here and selling for less price. What does he will get it? So the seller tells his story and tells that he is roaming here and there to find his child, to see his child in some other children, which gives him a very hearty happiness and joy of finding a glimpse of his children in the other children. That's why he is doing this. This is not a daily business for him. Just to get the happiness, to feel the happy joy feel, he comes and sells things once in 6 months or once in 8 months. By doing this, he finds peace of mind. So now let's read and understand further the lesson. बहुत ही मीठे स्वरों के साथ वह गलियों में घूमता हुआ कहता, बच्चों को बहलाने वाला, खिलौने वाला. With the sweet voice, the person will be roaming on the streets and will be telling. बच्चों को बहलाने वाला means the person who is entertaining the kids, खिलौने वाला who is selling the toys now. इस अधूरे वाक्य को वह ऐसे विचित्र किंतु इतने मधुर ढंग से गाकर कहता कि सुनने वाले सुनते ही रह जाते. This is a half phrase, right? The sentence is not complete, but this half sentence itself he will be telling in a very unique way. ஒரு weird ஒரு சொல்லுவாரு, and it will be so melody which has lot of love and affection filled in the way he tells this half sentence. So அவ்வளோ அழகா அவர் அதை பாடும்போது the person who is hearing that will keep on hearing. They will be mesmerized to the way he tells. बच्चों को बहलाने वाला, खिलौने वाला, like that when he tells in a very melody voice, it makes others to keep hearing that. उसका स्नेहपूर्ण गान सुनकर निकट के मकानों में चल मच जाती. So उसका is a pronoun used for that खिलौने वाला, the person who is the hawker who is selling, right? So அவரோட அந்த ஸ்வீட்டான ஒரு அஃபெக்ஷனேட்டான சவுண்டை கேட்கும் போது நியர்பை பிளேசஸில் இருக்க ஹவுசஸில் ஹல்ச்சல் இஸ் த bustle. The people will start to move here and there. So who is attracted to the toys seller? The kids, right? So kids will be moving here and there as soon as they hear this बच्चों को बहलाने वाला, खिलौने वाला கேட்கும் போதே பசங்க இங்கே அங்கே ஓட ஆரம்பிப்பாங்க. அங்கே பக்கத்தில் இருக்க வீட்டில் இருக்க பசங்க எல்லாம். छोटे छोटे बच्चों को अपने गोद में लिए हुए युवतियां चीकों को उठाकर जज्जों पर से नीचे झांकने लगती. ஸோ சின்ன சின்ன பசங்களை வச்சுட்டு இருக்க this young mothers, யுவத்தியா is the youth stateல இருக்க mothers will be holding the kid, right, with them. And Chico means the bamboo sticks that they will be making a mat kind of thing to close the windows or balconies. Have you ever observed? I'll show the image. So இதுதான் சீக்கோ. பேம்போ ஸ்டிக்ஸோட மெலிஸ் ஸ்டிக்ஸில் இந்த ரோல் மேட் பண்ணியிருப்பாங்க விண்டோஸ்லாம் க்ளோஸ் பண்ணுறதுக்கு, பால்கனி க்ளோஸ் பண்ணுறதுக்கு. அதை தள்ளிட்டு they will be seeing who has come, who is the hawker is. Jajjo is the elongated portion, the extra portions from the wall, like a balcony இருக்கலாம், இல்லை விண்டோக்கு மேலே இருக்க லிண்டல் இருக்கலாம். So the houses, if the house is like this, the elongated portion, this is jajjo. Okay, அந்த வீட்டில் இருக்க பால்கனியை சொல்லலாம். So I'll show the image. இதுதான் jajjo, the balconies or the elongated portions from the wall. Standing there, they will be sliding the chico and will see who is the hawker is. So झांकने लगते means they will be peeping. बच्चों का झुंड उसे घेर लेता and the kids ओड़ा gang will be covering him, be round up பண்ணிடுவாங்க. तब वह खिलौने वाला वहीं कहीं बैठकर खिलौनों की पेटी खोल देता है. And that time the hawker will open his box, पेटी ना the box in which he would have been carrying all the toys. So he'll open it and he'll be showing to all the kids. बच्चे खिलौने देखकर पुलकित हो उठते. After seeing the toys they'll be very happy. पुलकित ना happiness. They feel the happiness. वे पैसे लाकर खिलौने का मोलभाव करने लगते. They'll bring the money and they'll bargain. मोलभाव means they'll ask how much is this toy, how much is that toy. Based upon the money the kid is having, they will be asking the price of each and every toy which they like, right? पूछते इसका दाम क्या है. So they don't know to say the language properly. So on the totally भाषाல on the childish speech they will be asking இச்கா இதோட விலை எவ்வளோ. ஸோ இசுக்கான்னு வராது இச்சுக்கா அப்படின்னு சொல்லுவாங்க. இச்சுக்கா தாம் கியா ஹேன்னு வரல கா ஹே. English way of telling. और அவுல் உச்சுக்கா அவுருன்னு சொல்லாமல் அவுல் உச்சுக்கா அதோடது உஸ்கான்னு வராமல் உச்சுக்கான்னு சொல்கிறாங்க. ஸோ திஸ் இஸ் த வே த கிட்ஸ் ஆர் டாக்கிங் வென் தேர் टू यंग. खिलौने वाला बच्चों को देखता, उनकी नन्ही नन्ही उंगलियों और हथेलियों से पैसे ले लेता और बच्चों के मनपसंद खिलौने उन्हें दे देता. So the hawker will be seeing the kids. From the tiny hands he'll be taking the money and whatever toys they liked it he will be giving that to them. खिलौने लेकर बच्चे उछलने कूदने लगते. After getting the toys the kids will be jumping. उछलने कूदने, this is the same meaning, it's a jumping, it's a word pair but the same meaning words are connected with an hyphen. खिलौने वाला फिर उसी प्रकार गाकर कहता है. Again from that place he will be singing. बच्चों को बहलाने वाला खिलौने वाला, like that he will again sing in his melody tune and he will be moving from this place to the other place to sell the rest of the toys. सागर की हिलोर की बांति उसका वह मादक गान गली भर के मकानों में इस चोर से उस चोर तक लहराता हुआ पहुंचता और खिलौने वाला आगे बढ़ जाता. See, a man is standing here and he is selling. Okay, so his voice will be moving from one, this is the street, let's assume, from one side of the street to the other side of the street. The way he tells, melody way, he says, right, बच्चों को बहलाने वाला खिलौने वाला. So that will be like waves, it will moving from one side of the street to the other side. So सागर की हिलोर की बांति ना, सागर ओर waves, हिलोर ना waves मादरी, बांति ना like that. वह मादक is mesmerizing which attracts us. That attractive voice will be heard in houses from one side to the other side. So इस चोर ना இந்த edgeல இருந்து அந்த edge வரைக்கும், இஸ் चोर ना இந்த edge, उस चोर ना அந்த edge வரைக்கும் இருக்க வீட்ல எல்லாத்துக்கும் கேட்கும். That voice will be
moving like a waves.
So and the person will be moving. So राय विजय बहादुर के बच्चे भी एक दिन खिलौने घर ले आए. So राय विजय बहादुर और कुड़ंदिंगे कुड़ो, the kids of राय विजय बहादुर also bought the toys to the home. वे दो बच्चे थे. So there were two kids, चुन्नू और मुन्नू. दोनों अपनी हाथी, so one was having elephant and घोड़े, हाथी घोड़े लेकर घर भर में उछलने लगे. And the full house they were jumping. घर भर में the whole house, the two kids चुन्नू and मुन्नू were taking the toys, हाथी and घोड़ा, the horse and elephant, they were jumping. बच्चों की माँ रोहिणी कुछ देर तक खड़े खड़े उनका खेल देखती बैठी रही. And the kids mother रोहिणी was observing all this and sitting and watching all those things. फिर उसने पूछा and she asked, बेटा, so after addressing you have to put a comma, ये खिलौने तुमने कितने में लिए? So in which price you have purchased this toys, like that she is asking. So this is a question, कितने, so you have to put a question mark. And since this is asked by Rohini and we are writing it as it is, it has to be in the double quotes, उद्धरण चिन्ह रखनो. So whenever you are reading, you have to read along with the punctuations. So फिर उसने पूछा, so comma is that, give a pause. बेटा, so you are addressing someone, after addressing someone you have to give a pause. बेटा, ये खिलौने तुमने कितने में लिए हैं? Since question is asked, put a question mark, and since it is said by Rohini, you have to put in the double quotes, उद्धरण चिन्ह. मुन्नू बोला, मुन्नू said 2 पैसे में, 2 पैसे. So what he said, you have to put in the question mark. And if you observe, the question mark or the full stop should be within the double quotes. The question mark or the full stop should be within the double quotes. Double quotes के वेलिए question mark full stop वेके कूड़ा. This is wrong. Okay. इतना कम दाम सुनकर रोहिणी को बहुत हैरानी हुई. So hearing the price is so less, ഒരു ചീപ്പാ കൊടുത്തിരിക്കാരെന്ന് അനിച്ചോനെ रोहिणी was so shocked. One day the hawker who was selling the toys has come to the place telling the बच्चों को बहलाने वाला खिलौने वाला அப்படி சொல்லிட்டே இருக்கும்போது அந்த வீட்டில் இருக்கவங்களுக்கு எல்லாருக்கும் buzz started because having the kids with them, the young ladies used to see from the balconies and the kids also used to surround him and they will be taking the money, they will be bringing the money and then they will be buying the toys whichever they wanted. So one day Chinnu Munnu also were having horse and the elephant and Rohini was observing his kids were having the toys which were so cheap. So she was so shocked to know that the price of the toys were so cheap. Rohini सोचने लगी इतने सस्ते कैसे दे गया है. So how could he give so cheaply? எப்படி இவ்வளோ चीपा கொடுத்துட்டான், இவ்வளோ less amount, how he was able to sell that? जरा सी बात ठहरी. So she was thinking for a while. रोहिणी अपने काम में लगे and she got involved in her work. फिर कभी उसे इस पर विचार करने की आवश्यकता ही भला क्या पड़ती. And later on she didn't think about that. Never ever she has thought about why he has given the toys in a lesser price. 6 महीने बाद after 6 months नगर भर में 2-4 दिनों से एक मुरली वाले के आने का समाचार फैल गया. For the whole area, नगर means the city they were living, right? So and the whole area, like it was known to everyone. The news was spread across. Like past 2 or 4 days, like Murli Wala is coming. Murli Wala is the person who is selling the flute. So लोग कहने लगे भाई वह मुरली बजाने में वह एक ही उस्ताद है. He is very skillful. उस्ताद ना, he is very skillful in playing the flute. मुरली बजाकर गाना सुनाकर वह मुरली बेचता है. So by playing the flute, by singing in his melody voice, he is selling the flute. So अभी 2-2 पैसे में and that too he is selling for 2 पैसे only. भला इसमें उसे क्या मिलता होगा by selling the flute for 2 पैसे? What he will be getting? मेहनत भी तो ना आती होगी and the hard work that he is putting to sell the fruits in each and every street, that will also not come because he is selling for lesser price. ஸோ அது கூட வராதே அப்படின்னு சொல்கிறாங்க. இவன் இவ்வளோ சுற்றி சுற்றி விற்கிறான், 2 பைசாக்கு தான் விற்கிறான், அது கூட அவனோட கஷ்டத்துக்கு கூட வராதே. லைக் தட் த பீப்புள் ஆர் டாக்கிங் अबाउट दिस पर्सन. एक व्यक्ति ने पूछ लिया and one person has asked, कैसा है वह मुरली वाला? मैंने तो उसे नहीं देखा. One person said, oh, how is that hawker who is selling the fruit? I have never seen him. उत्तर मिला, he got the answer. Give a pause. उम्र तो उसकी अभी अधिक ना होगी. So the age would not be so much. 30-32 का होगा. So he would be in the 30-32. 30 is 30, 32 is 32. In the range of 30-32 only he would be. Dubla patla, he is very lean. Gora is very fair. Yuvak and youth. He is a very lean, fair youth and his age will be around 30-32.
बीकानेरी रंगीन साफा बांधता है and he ties a colorful turban.
वही तो नहीं जो पहले खिलौने बेचा करता था. Is it not the same person who used to sell toys earlier? वही होगा. मे बी ही वुड बी द सेम पर्सन. लाइक दैट दे आर ऑल्सो डिस्कसिंग. प्रतिदिन इसी प्रकार उस मुरली वाले की चर्चा होती है. एंड एवरी डे दे विल बी टॉकिंग अबाउट, डिस्कशन विल हैपन अबाउट द मुरली वाला लाइक दिस ओनली. प्रतिदिन नगर की गली गली में उसका मादक मृदुल स्वर सुनाई पड़ता है. एंड ईच डे in each and every streets we are able to hear is very mesmerizing. Mrudul is the very melody voice of his. बच्चों को बहलाने वाला, मुरलिया वाला, like that they can hear the melody voice of this hawker. So Madak Mrudul is the very sweet mesmerizing voice. रोहिणी ने भी मुरली वाले का वह स्वर सुना एंड रोहिणी ऑल्सो हर्ड द वॉइस ऑफ द पर्सन हु इज सेलिंग द फ्लूट. तुरंत ही उसे खिलौने वाला का स्मरण हो आया. सो एट वंस शी वॉज एबल टू रिमेंबर द टॉय सेलर. स्मरण ना रिमेंबरेंस. शी गॉट द रिमेंबरेंस ऑफ द टॉय सेलर. उसने मन ही मन कहा एंड विद इन द माइंड शी सेड, खिलौने वाला भी इसी तरह गा गा कर खिलौने बेचा करता था. सो इन माइंड व्हाट दिस thought process. Like this only the toy seller was also selling toys by singing the song in a melody way. रोहिणी उठकर अपने पति विजय बाबू के पास गई. Now she stood up and went to her husband विजय बाबू and said, बोली, जरा उस मुरली वाले को बुलाओ तो, यू जस्ट कॉल दैट फ्लूट सेलर, चुन्नू मुन्नू के लिए एक मुरली ले लूँ, आई कैन बाई फ्लूट फॉर चुन्नू मुन्नू। क्या जाने ये फिर इधर आए ना आए, so we don't know whether he will come back to the street again or not, so you just call him, we will get the fruit for our kids. Like that Rohini is telling to her husband Vijay Babu. Vijay Babu समाचार पत्र पढ़ रहे थे and Vijay Babu was reading newspaper, समाचार पत्र ना न्यूज़पेपर। वह दरवाजे पर आकर मुरली वाले से बोले and coming to the door he was telling to flute seller, क्यों भाई किस तरह देते हो मुरली, so how much is the price of the flute, how you are giving, like that he is inquiring. So while he is inquiring, what happens is, see here, किसी की टोपी गली में गिर पड़ी,
Someone has dropped the caps in the street.
किसी का जूता पार्क में छूट गया,
Someone has left the shoe in the park itself.
और किसी की सूतनी, and सूतनी is the pant that moves away from the waistline, right? So ಅದು ಕೂಡ नरिविटे पोइचे, it is also coming down. इस तरह दौड़ते हाँफते हुए बच्चों का झुंड आ पहुंचा. So leaving the cap, leaving the shoe, making the pant loose which is moving down, the kids are running. हाँफते ना, the breath that they take, மூச்சு வாங்குதில்ல, அதுதான் ஹாஃப்தேன்னு சொல்லுவாங்க. ஸோ தட் லாங் பிரீத்ஸ் வித் தே டேக் வென் தே ஹாவ் டு கம் ரன்னிங்லி. ஸோ இந்த மாதிரி பஜாமா லூஸாக விட்டுட்டு, ஷூவை எங்கேயோ விட்டுட்டு, டோப்பியை ரோட்லேயே விட்டுட்டு பசங்க ஓடி வராங்க இவரோட சவுண்டு கேட்டு உடனே. झुंड ना ग्रुप ऑफ किड्स, बच्चों का झुंड ना ग्रुप ऑफ किड्स, हमें दो गिव टू अस लाइक दैट पसंग कत्तिकिटे वरांगे. सब एक साथ बोल उठे. सो एवरीवन इज टेलिंग एट द सेम टाइम. मुरली वाला हर्ष से गदगद हो उठा. नाउ सीइंग द किड्स रशिंग टू हिम एंड आस्किंग फॉर द फ्लूट, द मुरली वाला, द पर्सन हु वाज सेलिंग द फ्लूट, वाज सो हैप्पी. सो हर्ष से गदगद हो उठना इज अ मुहावरा. इट इज ओवरजॉयड, इज वेरी थ्रिल्ड. See the kids who are rushing to him. बोला हाँ सबको देंगे. Yes I'll give to everyone. हाँ बाबूजी, क्या पूछा था? Now the Vijay Babu has come and was standing near the door and was inquiring, right? So to him now he is speaking. Yes बाबूजी, what you are asking me? आपने कितने में दी? So how much you are giving? दी तो वैसे 3 पैसे के हिसाब से ही. So I have given for 3 पैसे only. पर आपको 2 पैसे में ही दे दूंगा. But I'll give to you for 2 पैसे itself. विजय बाबू मुस्कुराकर बोले. नाउ विजय बाबू स्माइलिंगली टेलिंग, तुम लोगों को झूठ बोलने की आदत होती है. यू पीपल आर लाइंग. सो पोई சொல்றதே உங்களுக்கு வழக்கமா போச்சு. देते होगे सभी को 2 पैसे में. So you will be giving to everyone for 2 पैसे only. पर एहसान का बोझ मेरे ऊपर लाद रहे हो, and but you are loading the favor on me as if you are giving for 2 पैसे for only for me. So like that Vijay Babu is telling. So maybe you would be giving 2 paise only to everyone, but you are telling lie that I am giving for 3 paise, but for you one alone I'll give for 2 paise. Like that you are favoring me. The people are discussing that Murli Wala and orthar yaro vandirukanga, he is singing nicely and he is playing flute very nicely. So every day the discussion happens about that. People have asked, I have not seen him, you have seen him or not? So one is explaining about, yeah, I have seen him. He is a very lean person, very fair, and his age will be 30 to 32 years, and he is very skillful in playing the flute. Like that they are discussing, and every day, one or the other day, in each and every street, they are able to hear the sound of Murli Wala, and the people are also discussing about him. So as soon as the Murli Wala comes, the Rohini now he is able to recollect that this is the same person who was selling the toys, and he tells her husband Vijay Babu to go and get 2 fruits for the kids, and Vijay Babu comes to the door and asks how much it is. So while he is asking this, the kids are also rushing, leaving the caps in the streets, leaving the shoes in the park, and the pants are also getting down, and pants are also getting loose and coming down. Holding the pants, the kids are rushing to get the flute from the Murli Wala. Sutani is the pajama which is loose and it's coming out, and the kids are holding it and running. So seeing the kids who are rushing and coming, he feels so happy, and they also ask, give me, and the Murli Wala says that I'll give to everyone. And meanwhile Murli Wala also asks Vijay Babu, okay, what we are asking for? He says that I'm giving for 3 paise usually, but I can give to you for 2 paise. So now he is saying like you are lying. Most to everyone you are giving for 2 paise only, but you are loading the favor on me by lying that you are giving 2 paise for me only. So like that the discussion happens.
मुरली वाला अचकचाकर बोला. अचकचाकर is shockingly, surprisingly.
So he is with a so shocking feel he said, बाबूजी इनका असली दाम 3 ही पैसे, the real price of this fruit is 3 पैसे only. आप कहीं से भी 2-2 पैसे में ये मुरलियाँ नहीं पा सकते. From anywhere you cannot buy the fruit for 2 पैसे. मैंने तो पूरी 1000 बनवाई थी. I just made 1000. तब मुझे इस भाव पड़ी थी. Then only I was able to sell for 2 पैसे. विजय बाबू बोले, अच्छा मेरे पास ज़्यादा वक्त नहीं है, जल्दी से 2 मुरलियाँ निकाल दो. ओके आई डोंट हैव मच टाइम. वक्त नहीं, कितना ये टाइम मिला, यू जस्ट गिव मी 2 फ्रूट. 2 मुरलियाँ लेकर विजय बाबू फिर मकान के भीतर पहुंच गए. टेकिंग द मुरली फ्रूट इन द हैंड ही केम इनसाइड द हाउस. So the discussion is going on and he says us with a so shocked feel, he says no, the real price is 3 paise only. I made 1000, so I got in 2 paise. So and Vijay Babu says okay I don't have time, you just give me 2. And getting 2 he comes into the house. मुरली वाला देर तक उन बच्चों के झुंड में मुरलियां बेचता रहा. For a long time the hawker who is selling the fruit was spending the time with the kids. He was selling the fruit. उसके पास कई रंग की मुरलियां थी and he had many colors. So fruit many colors फ्रूट बेचिருந்தாரு. बच्चे जो रंग पसंद करते मुरली वाला उस रंग की मुरली निकाल देता. So whatever color the kids liked, he used to pick the color which the kid has asked and he will give to them. ये बड़ी अच्छी मुरली है, तुम यही ले लो. So the way he is talking to the kids is given here. So this is very nice fruit, you take this itself. बापू, राजा बाबू, तुम्हारे लायक तो बस ये है. So he is calling the kids like बापू, you are like a prince. He is telling this is only suitable for you. हाँ भैया तुमको वही देंगे. Yes, I'll give to you the same thing. Like that he is telling the kids also भैया so respectfully. ये लो, you take this. तुमको वैसी ना चाहिए, ऐसी चाहिए. You don't want like that, you want this. Okay, then you take this. ये नारंगी रंग की, this saffron color you wanted. अच्छा ये लो, then you take this itself. पैसे नहीं है, you don't have money. अच्छा अम्मा से पैसे ले आओ. You go and ask अम्मा to give the money. मैं अभी बैठा हूँ, I will be sitting here only. तुम ले आए पैसे, did you get the money? अच्छा ये लो. Okay, now you take this. तुम्हारे लिए मैंने पहले से ही निकाल रखी. I have taken it out from the bundle and I have kept it ready for you. तुमने अम्मा से ठीक तरह से मांगे ही ना होंगे. So maybe you would not have asked your mother in a right way. तुम्हारी माँ के पास पैसे नहीं है. Your mother doesn't have money. अच्छा तुम भी ये लो, but still you have this even if you are not having money. अच्छा तो अब मैं चलता हूँ. So now I'll leave. So this is the way he talks to the children and
This is the way he sells his flute.
इस तरफ मुरली वाला फिर आगे बढ़ चलता है. लाइक दिस ही इज मूविंग फॉरवर्ड. आज अपने मकान में बैठी हुई रोहिणी मुरली वाले की सारी बातें सुनती रही. So now the Rohini was sitting in his house. Rohini was sitting in her house, was observing how this person is talking to the kids. So all the discussion which the fruit hawker has done with the kids, she was observing. आज भी उसने अनुभव किया. Now also she was able to feel that. बच्चों के साथ इतनी प्यार से बातें करने वाला फेरी वाला पहले कभी नहीं आया. So the hawker who is talking so lovingly with the children, never ever such hawker has come. फिर वह सौदा भी कैसा सस्ता बेचता है and also he sells for a very lesser price. सौदा ना the deal that he does, the selling price. और आदमी कैसा भला जान पड़ता है and the person is also looking so good and like a good man मरिदा इरकारे like that she was thinking. समय की बात है, जो बेचारा इस तरफ मारा फिरता है. So it's a time only, like he is wandering here and there. Definitely he is having a bad time now. पेट जो ना कराए सो थोड़ा. So what the stomach makes one to do is very little, right? If you are feeling hungry, whatever the stomach tells, we will be trying to do it. If you ever felt the hungriness, you will definitely do things to get money to fill your stomach only first. To fulfill the stomach, the person will be ready to do anything. So the Rohini was observing how sweetly he was talking to the kids, and Rohini is thinking that he is having a very bad time and to fulfill his stomach he is doing all this hard work. and this is how he was enjoying and spending time with the kids, getting the money, giving what they liked, and he used to talk lovingly. So all these things Rohini was observing. 8 मास बाद after 8 months, सर्दी के दिन थे, it was a winter season, सर्दी ना विंटर। रोहिणी स्नान करके अपने मकान की छत पर बाल सुखा रही थी। रोहिणी आफ्टर टेकिंग बाथ on the terrace of her house, she was drying her hair. सुखा रही थी means she was drying her hair, बाल ना hair। उसी समय नीचे की गली में सुनाई पड़ा, and down in the streets she was able to hear, बच्चों को बहलाने वाला, मिठाई वाला। So she was able to hear this melody song. As soon as she heard, she would be remembering the previous hawkers, right? So मिठाई वाला का ये स्वर परिचित था, and she was thinking, oh, I am able to recognize this voice. परिचित था means I am known to this voice already. झट से रोहिणी नीचे उतर आई, and quickly she came down. वृद्धा दादी से बोली, and the old grandmother who was sitting to her, she told, जरा उसे बुलाइए ना, you just call him, no? बच्चों के लिए मिठाई ले लूं, I'll buy sweets for the kids. दादी उठकर बाहर आकर बोली, and grandmother came out and said, ए मिठाई वाले इधर आना। So she is addressing मिठाई वाले as ए मिठाई वाले, you come here. So संबोधन எப்படி இருக்கு, ए इधर आना, इधर you come here। मिठाई वाला निकट आ गया, and मिठाई वाला the sweet seller has come closer. माँ कितनी मिठाई दूँ? So after addressing someone you have to put comma, and question is asked, the question mark. So how much of sweet I need to give? नई तरह की मिठाई है, देर इज मेनी न्यू वेराइटीज हैव कम, रंग बिरंगे, इट्स वेरी कलरफुल, कुछ कुछ खट्टी एंड फ्यू आर सॉर, कुछ कुछ मीठी एंड फ्यू आर वेरी स्वीट, और जायकेदार इज वेरी टेस्टी। सो ही इज गिविंग द डिस्क्रिप्शन ऑफ द स्वीट्स विच ही वॉज हैविंग। इन गुणों के अतिरिक्त, अपार्ट फ्रॉम दिस कैरेक्टरिस्टिक्स, ये खांसी को भी दूर करती है, इट रिमूव्स द कॉफ ऑल्सो। कितने दूँ, हाउ मच आई नीड टू गिव, पैसे के 16 देता हूँ, फॉर 1 पैसे आई गिव 16, like that he is telling. दादी बोली, 16 तो बहुत कम होती है, 16 is so less, भला 25 तो दे दो, you give 25 at least. मिठाई वाला बोला, नहीं दादी, अधिक नहीं दे सकता, नो ग्रैंडमदर, आई कैन नॉट गिव मोर, इतनी भी कैसे देता हूँ, ये अब मैं आपको क्या, खैर मैं अधिक तो ना दे सकूँगा। सो आई एम गिविंग 16, दिस मच इज इटसेल्फ आई एम गिविंग, यू डोंट नो हाउ आई एम गिविंग, but let's not bother how I am giving, so I cannot give more, like that he's giving the explanation. So he doesn't want to tell his story, but he is brief, he has told like how much of strain he has to take to give in the lesser price, because his motive is not to make money, right? He is selling for his mental peace. So thinking that he is telling, okay care உங்களுக்கு ஏன் சொல்லணும், நான் எதுக்காக இதை கொடுக்குறேன் அப்படின்னு சொல்லிட்டு, இதுக்கு மேலே நான் ஜாஸ்தியாக கொடுக்க முடியாது, நான் 16 தான் கொடுப்பேன் ஒரு पैसे லைக் தட் he is telling the details. रोहिणी दादी के पास ही खड़ी थी, रोहिणी was standing next to grandmother, बोली दादी फिर भी काफ़ी सस्ती दे रहा है, so he is giving in cheaper only, so let it be like that she is telling to grandmother, not to ask 25. 4 पैसे की ले लो, so you get for 4 पैसे, so 4 into 16 he has to give, right? ये रहे पैसे, this is the money, like that they are giving the money to the hawker. मिठाई वाला मिठाई गिनने लगा, now he started to count the sweets. रोहिणी ने पूछा, now रोहिणी asked, भैया तुम तो पहले भी यहाँ आते रहे हो ना, so you have been coming here, right? like that she is asking. हाँ कई बार आ चुका हूँ, उसने कहा, so I have come many times, like that he is giving the reply. So when you are saying yes or no as the first word of the sentence, after yes or no you have to put comma, this punctuation you have to remember, okay? रोहिणी का अनुमान ठीक निकला, so रोहिणी's guess was correct. अब तो वह उससे और भी कुछ बातें पूछने के लिए अधीर हो उठी, and she was very curious to ask more details. She became impatient, अधीर ना impatient. उसने पूछा, भैया इन छोटी छोटी चीज़ों को बेचकर तुम्हें क्या मिलता होगा? सेलिंग स्मॉल स्मॉल थिंग्स व्हाट यू आर गेटिंग? वह बोला, मिलता तो क्या है, यही खाने भर को मिल जाता. सो व्हाट आई गेट, आई कैन गेट द मनी विच आई कैन यूज टू फिल माई स्टोमक. சாப்பிட்றதுக்கு தேவையானது கிடச்சிரும் இதை வித்தனா. कभी नहीं भी मिलता है, सो समटाइम्स आई वोंट गेट ऑल्सो. पर हाँ संतोष, धीरज और कभी कभी असीम सुख ज़रूर मिलता है. but I'll get the happiness, I'll get the patience, I get the unlimited joy by selling these things. और यही मैं चाहता भी हूँ, and I want this only. So कैसे, वह भी बताओ. That how like that, you tell that also. Like that Rohini's curiosity is making her to ask more question. Why so? अब व्यर्थ में उन बातों की चर्चा क्यों करूं? Wastefully, why I need to talk about those discussions? Waste of time only. व्यर्थ ना waste. So waste है यदि ना अदपति discussion पननो. उन्हें आप जाने ही दे. So you just leave that. उन बातों को सुनकर आपको दुख होगा. After hearing that you will feel sad only. Like that the hawker is telling. जब इतना बताया है तब और भी बता दो. Now you have told this much. Why don't you tell the reason? मैं बहुत उत्सुक हूँ. आई एम वेरी क्यूरियस, आई एम एक्साइटेड. तुम्हारा हर्जा ना होगा. यू विल नॉट हैव एनी लॉस. मैं और भी मिठाई ले लूंगी. आई विल गेट मोर स्वीट्स फ्रॉम यू बिकॉज ही हैज टू सिट एंड एक्सप्लेन हिज स्टोरी, राइट? ही इज वेस्टिंग हिज टाइम देयर, राइट? So he is telling it will not be lost. I'll get more sweets from you. You sit and tell the story. Like that Rohini is telling to the hawker. See, hearing the hawker's sound, Rohini is able to recollect who he is. Like a toy seller, like a flute seller, he has come down from the terrace where she was drying her hair after taking bath. Seeing the person who is moving in the street, he comes down and tells the grandmother to go and call him so that we can buy sweets for the kids. Now grandmother calls him and asks for the how much it is. Then he tells that for 1 paisa I give 16 sweets. So grandmother says it's very less, you give 25. Now he says like you don't know how much of difficulty and pain I have to sell. I have to strain to sell this. I cannot give more. And he also explains the different types of sweets which he has. And Rohini was standing next to grandmother, also tells that okay, he is already giving for lesser price, so you don't have to bargain. And Rohini is so excited and she keeps on asking the question like whether you came as a khilone wala or a murli wala. Yes, he said yes, I have come. So what do you get by selling such small things? He said I'll get the money to eat, and sometimes if I don't even get also, it's fine, I get the joy. So she asked like why so? So the hawker tells like why, that's the story, if you hear you will feel so sad. So Rohini is telling no, I am so excited, I want to know. Even you will not have any loss, I'll buy more sweets. For the time he is spending in giving the details. गंभीरता के साथ मिठाई वाले ने कहा. So seriously the hawker, as the sweet seller has told, मैं भी अपने नगर का एक प्रतिष्ठित आदमी हूँ. I am also a very famous person in my city. मकान, व्यवसाय, गाड़ी घोड़े, नौकर चाकर सभी कुछ थे. I had my own house, I had my business, I had my vehicle, I had horse, I had servants, everything was there with me. So पत्नी थी, I had wife, छोटे छोटे 2 बच्चे भी थे. I had 2 young kids also. मेरा वह सोने का संसार, that was a
golden world for me.
सुख संपत्ति थी. I was very prosperous and happy. बच्चे ऐसे सुंदर थे जैसे सोने के सजीव खिलौने. And the kids were so good looking, like they will be like a
golden toy.
उनकी अटकेलियाँ is the naughty things that the kids do, के मारे घर में कोलाहल मचा रहता है. And the sound will be there, noise will be there because of the naughty things that my kids used to do. विधाता की लीला, God's fate, अब कोई नहीं है. Now no one is there. प्राण निकाले नहीं निकले. I tried to end my life but it didn't go. इसलिए अपने उन बच्चों की खोज में निकला हूँ. Now I am in search of my kids because he believes in rebirth. Okay, so he is now searching for his kid. वह सब होंगे तो यहीं कहीं. So they will be here and here only. They will be here only. आखिर कहीं ना कहीं तो जन्मे ही होंगे. So somewhere they would have born again.
इस तरह के जीवन में
कभी कभी अपने उन बच्चों की एक झलक भी सी मिल जाती है. सो इन दिस लिविंग स्टाइल वेयर आई एम सेलिंग द थिंग्स दैट इज लव्ड बाय किड्स, आई एम एबल टू सी द ग्लिम्स ऑफ माय चिल्ड्रन इन दोस किड्स. ऐसा जान पड़ता है जैसे वे इन्हीं में उछल उछल कर खेल रहे हैं. सो आई एम एबल टू सेंस दैट माय किड्स आर जंपिंग इन अमंग देम ओनली. पैसों की कमी थोड़े ही है. I don't have fall of money because he is rich person only. He has money. But only thing is he doesn't have the family. He is not feeling the joy. So now he is selling all these things and he is feeling happy and having the mental peace seeing those kids, assuming his kids would have born and they are one among them. आपकी दया से पैसे काफ़ी हैं, सो विद योर काइंडनेस आई हैव मोर मनी। जो नहीं है मैं इस तरह उसी को पा जाता हूँ। सो
which I don't have, I'm getting by doing this kind of work. ஸோ அவர்கிட்ட இல்லாததுனால அந்த மென்டல் பீஸ் அதை நான் இது மாதிரி விற்று பசங்க கூட மிங்கிள் ஆகிட்டு ஐ எம் கெட்டிங் த ஹாப்பினஸ்ன்னு சொல்கிறார். The one which he doesn't have, by doing this he is getting the same thing, the mental peace and happiness of mingling with the kids. So when Rohini requests him to tell the story, so with serious note, the mithai wala, the hawker, is explaining that he had 2 kids, his wife. The kids were so beautiful and the house was filled with the noise that the naughty things that the kids do, but the God's faith is now no one is there. I tried to lose my life but it doesn't go. Now I have started to search my kids among these children because I believe in rebirth. Maybe somewhere here and there only my kids would have reborn. Seeing their happiness, seeing their way the talk, I'm regaining those happiness by selling things that liked by the kids for the lesser price.
रोहिणी ने अब मिठाई वाले की ओर देखा. सो रोहिणी saw
The sweet seller, the hawker, she was observing.
So रोहिणी was watching him. उसकी आंखें आंसुओं से तरी थी and his eyes were filled with water. So நிறைய tears வர ஆரம்பிச்சிச்சு இந்த ஹாக்கருக்கு. तभी चुन्नू मुन्नू आकर मिठाई मांगने लगे and that time चुन्नू मुन्नू came and was asking for the sweet. उसने दोनों के हाथों में मिठाई भर दी and he has filled the sweets on both their hands. रोहिणी ने पैसे दिए तो वह बोला, रोहिणी gave money and he said, अब इस बार ये पैसे ना लूँगा, but this time I won't take this money. पेटी उठाकर वह आगे बढ़ गया. So taking the box he has moved forward. उसकी आवाज़ गूंजने लगी and the echo was coming. बच्चों को बहलाने वाला, मिठाई वाला, diner for the kids, मिठाई वाला who is selling the sweets. Like that he started to move forward. When he was explaining all these things, Rohini was observing him and his eyes were filled with tears. That time only the 2 kids, Chinnu and Minnu, comes and they ask for sweets and the mithai wala gives handful of sweets to them. And when Rohini tries to give the money, he takes, no, this time I will not take the money. Like that he says, and he wraps his box, the basket or the box in which he used to carry the sweets, and he moves away from that place singing the same song, बच्चों को बहलाने वाला, मिठाई वाला. In the same melody way he sings and he moves forward. Bhagwati Prasad Vajpayee. So the writer is Bhagwati Prasad Vajpayee. So hope you have understood the lesson. If you have any doubt or clarification, please put in the comment section and surely reply back. Thank you, students.